Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting muscle cars of the upcoming lineup, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro in a bold and unique dark brown color. This is a car that doesn't just turn heads, it commands attention with its aggressive stance, modern technology, and that unmistakable Camaro DNA. Whether you're a die-hard Camaro fan, someone looking to upgrade to a true performance car, or just curious about what Chevrolet has done to keep the Camaro relevant in today's high-tech world, you're in for a treat. In this long review, we'll be covering the Camaro's design, both inside and out, its performance capabilities, the tech it offers, and finally, how it's priced compared to the competition. So buckle up, because the 2026 Camaro is about to show us why the American muscle car spirit is far from over. Exterior. The first thing that strikes you about the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro is its exterior. Chevrolet has doubled down on making the Camaro stand out, and the dark brown paint job we're looking at today adds a unique touch of sophistication. Most muscle cars stick with bright colors, reds, blacks, or blues, but this dark brown feels refined, elegant, and surprisingly modern. It's a color that blends aggression with class, and under direct sunlight, it reveals metallic undertones that sparkle just enough to catch your eye without being too flashy. From the front, the Camaro is unmistakably a Camaro. The wide, low-set grille dominates the face, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that stretch into the fenders. The headlights are slimmer than the previous generation, giving the Camaro a more futuristic, menacing stare. The sculpted hood comes with functional vents that not only look aggressive but also aid in engine cooling. For those who love that muscular road presence, the 2026 Camaro delivers it effortlessly. Moving to the side profile, the lines are sharper, the wheel arch is more pronounced, and the stance lower than before. Chevrolet has kept the long hood, short deck proportions intact, a design choice that stays true to Camaro heritage. The 20-inch alloy wheels, finished in matte graphite, complement the dark brown paint perfectly, while performance tires wrap around them to ensure grip and stability. The side mirrors are sleek, aerodynamic, and integrated with turn signals, while the subtle side skirts enhance the sporty vibe. At the rear, things get even more exciting. The quad exhaust setup is aggressive and promises performance, while the updated taillights retain the classic Camaro look but with a modern twist, LED signatures that make them pop at night. The rear spoiler sits high enough to give you downforce but not so tall that it feels like an aftermarket add-on. Overall, the Camaro's exterior is a blend of heritage muscle car cues and modern aerodynamic efficiency, and this dark brown finish makes it stand out as something truly unique in the muscle car space. Step inside the 2026 Camaro, and you'll notice that Chevrolet has taken serious steps to modernize the cabin without losing the driver-focused feel. The interior design is all about blending technology with performance-inspired aesthetics. Right away, the dark brown leather upholstery with contrasting stitching catches your attention. It matches the exterior paint beautifully, creating a sense of harmony and premium feel. The dashboard has been redesigned with cleaner lines, and at the center is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen display that runs Chevrolet's latest infotainment system. It's fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system also comes with over-the-air updates, ensuring that your software and features are always current. Just below, the air vents retain their signature Camaro turbine-inspired design, a small but iconic detail that enthusiasts will appreciate. The driver's cockpit is sporty, with a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in leather and adorned with controls for media, navigation, and even adaptive cruise functions. Behind it sits a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster that can be customized to show performance metrics like G-forces, lap times, or a more traditional analog-inspired speedometer and tachometer. The seats are heavily bolstered, providing comfort during long drives while keeping you firmly in place when pushing the car around corners. Heated and ventilated functions come standard in higher trims, and memory settings make life easier for multiple drivers. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin elevates the atmosphere at night, with customizable colors to match your mood or driving mode. Space-wise, the Camaro still prioritizes performance over practicality, but Chevrolet has worked on improving legroom in the front seats and slightly better access to the rear seats. While the back seats are still tight, they're more usable than before, making short trips with passengers manageable. The trunk offers decent space for a muscle car, enough for weekend bags or a grocery run. It's not as practical as a sedan, but for a car like this, you're buying it for the thrill, not cargo capacity. Performance. Now, let's talk about what really matters in a Camaro, the performance. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro continues to offer a range of engine options, giving buyers the freedom to choose how wild they want their ride to be. Starting with the base model, you get a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder that pushes out around 320 horsepower. It's efficient, responsive, and a solid choice for those who want the Camaro look without the extreme performance. Step up to the V6, and you're looking at a 3.6-liter engine delivering about 355 horsepower. It's smooth, powerful, and gives the car a more traditional muscle car feel. But the real magic begins with the V8 options. The naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 puts out an impressive 455 horsepower, and paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic, it's a pure driver's delight. The roar of this V8 is intoxicating, and it provides that classic Camaro experience, raw, aggressive, and powerful. But Chevrolet didn't stop there. The top-of-the-line Camaro ZL1 trim comes with a supercharged version of the 6.2-liter V8, churning out a staggering 650 horsepower. This beast can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, rivaling many European sports cars that cost twice as much. With adaptive suspension, performance brakes, and advanced traction control systems, the Camaro ZL1 isn't just about straight-line speed, it can handle corners with confidence and precision. What's impressive about the 2026 Camaro lineup is how Chevrolet has balanced performance with modern efficiency. All engines are optimized with cylinder deactivation and start-stop technology for improved fuel economy. Plus, new hybrid assist technology is rumored to be integrated into some trims, adding extra torque while reducing emissions, showing that even muscle cars are adapting to the modern world. Prices. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro remains competitive. The base model with the turbocharged four-cylinder starts around $32,000, which makes it one of the most affordable entry points into the muscle car world. The V6 trim sits closer to $36,000, while the V8, powered LT1 and SS trims range from $44,000 to $52,000 depending on configuration. The top-tier ZL1, with its supercharged engine and performance upgrades, will cost you around $70,000 to $75,000. Considering the level of performance and technology it offers, that's a bargain compared to many European rivals. Even fully loaded, the Camaro stays well under the six-figure mark, making it accessible for enthusiasts who want raw power without breaking the bank. Chevrolet also offers a variety of optional packages, including performance upgrades, track-focused kits, and luxury add-ons like premium audio systems and upgraded leather interiors. This customization allows buyers to tailor the Camaro to their specific preferences, whether they're after pure performance or a more balanced daily driver with muscle car flair. So, is the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro worth it? Absolutely. It's a car that refuses to be forgotten, adapting to the modern world while holding on tightly to its muscle car roots. The dark brown exterior sets it apart as something bold yet elegant, the interior brings tech and comfort without losing the driver-first design, and the performance range ensures that there's a Camaro for everyone, from casual drivers to hardcore enthusiasts. With competitive pricing and the spirit of American performance still alive and well, the 2026 Camaro proves that the muscle car era isn't dead, it's just getting started again.